If or Elif either true, then do something. This is just for academic interest. I encounter the following situation a lot. Is there any Pythonic way of doing it, or in general better programming way of doing it? Basically do something 3 executes only if or Elif is true.
I would handle this by using nested if statements, i.e. As some comments have pointed out, the best solution will depend on what X and Y are. If easy readability/concise code is your goal, then this or other answers given should be fine. If however X and Y were expensive function calls, then it would be better to do something more like what you have done to avoid calling the function twice.
Of course, this does evaluate x dot underscore underscore non-zero underscore underscore twice. Usually that's not a big deal, but if it is expensive, you can always evaluate that up front and save it to a temporary variable.
You could wrap some of it in a function. Or all of it in a function. You could also omit the either underscore true flag completely if dosimethin 3 is a single line of code, e.g. a function call. It maintains the nice property of evaluating X and Y at most once, and Y won't be evaluated if X is true.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.